Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Question number 1. Which country has the largest armed force? Answer is China. Question number 2. Which is the only country in the world to have a square flag? The answer is Switzerland. Question number 3. Which is the first country to win Football World Cup FIFA? The answer is Uruguay in 1930. Fourth question. The first person to land on the moon. The answer is Neil Armstrong. Fifth question. Who was the first European to attack India? The answer is Alexander. Sixth question. Which country has the most number of lakes? The answer is Canada. Question number 7. Which is the tallest tower in the world? The answer is Burj Khalifa, 828 meters. Eighth question. Which mountains known as the roof of the world? The answer is Pamir. Ninth question. The first country to send man to the moon. The answer is USA. 10th question. Which is the biggest underground railway network? The answer is New York City. 11th question. Which is the first country to print book? The answer is China. Next question. Which country is also known as Land of the Midnight Sun? The answer is Norway. 13th question. Which is the first country to win Cricket World Cup? The answer is West Indies, 1975. 14th question. The largest dam in the world is located in? The answer is South America, Itaipu Dam. 15th question. Which country gifted the Status of Liberty to USA in 1886? The answer is France. 16th question. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? The answer is Jordan and Israel. 17th question. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? The answer is Switzerland. 18th question. Which continent has the highest number of countries? The answer is Africa, 54. 19th question. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? The answer is Amazon. 20th question. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? The correct answer is Atlantic. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.